this is your Jeep over here.
Yep.
What, that's an original tub with a fiberglass front end?
No, it's all fiberglass.
All fiberglass.
All fiberglass body.
What are you running for your motor?
That's a 571 big block Chevy.
Cool. Let's walk over here and check it out. I see you got a chain drive too.
Yep, chain drive 2-speed.
High pinion 44 front end.
Yeah.
And how much nitrous you put on?
Spraying about 300 shot.
Yeah, it's a nice rig, man.
Hopefully we can get up on top of the water and skip across it.
Yeah. Have you ran some holes like this before?
No, nothing like this. Most of what we do is drag.
Oh, it's been a couple things, but now it has a Turbo LS in it, 88mm turbo. I had a guy get her tuned up. It was on 18 PSI, but I turned it up a little bit. Been coming to this event off and on for, 6 years. I've won it twice. It used to have a 632 big block Chevy in it with a 300 shot on it, and that did pretty well.
What are you running for axles?
So that's another problem I used to have in this thing. I had a Dana 60 in it, and pretty much just nitrous tuning, I'd blow them up. Just any little hit pretty much shattered them. I don't care if you set them up tight, set them up loose. They're garbage and they can't hold it. So I took a rear end, a 14 volt, I retubed it.
The
4,000 bucks.
Keep her lit.
Nice.
Keep her lit. Shit's gonna happen.
Well, nobody's gonna be able to see behind him to go anywhere.
Put a 14 volt corp in the front. Got tired of breaking the 60. I think I broke the Moses Lake curse. About to find out today.
Nice.
Every time it comes here, it dies in them holes.
Oh, yeah.
As they came small enough to me. My hand over to my meter. My heart and my flesh.
What's up, man?
Just here to have a fun day. We got some good competition for the bounty hole.
Yeah.
It's 8th year. It's amazing how it's grown.
Yeah.
Ninth year.
Okay, I can't count 9th year. But
You think you got some competition here today?
I haven't seen anything that's not competition here today. These are all legit rigs. They're here to party.
Well, what's your plan today?
Hopefully draw a good number. hold it wide open, and hopefully I can get around that corner. I think I have enough power to get up on top, but we'll see what happens today. So.
You guys have this morning?
400 or 500 miles.
You guys come down yesterday?
Got here last night.
Right on. How many rigs you guys bring with you? 4 rigs. All from the same area down? Right on. What? This is your rig here, huh?
It is.
What? You built it yourself?
I did.
Right on. What are you running for motor horsepower? Do you think?
632 cubic inch big block Chevrolet.
Right on.
400 shot of nitrous.
Right on. That's cool. You got like a SCS box or
An open chain drive.
open chain drive? Cool. I noticed
Power glide.
2-speed power glide.
Yep.
That's cool. How long did it take you to build this thing?
4 to 5 months.
4 to 5 months, huh?
It's a working project though.
That's a lot of work to do that fast. You know. You built the frame and everything.
100%.
Wow. What's your plan when you go out there? You're just gonna right down the middle.
Right down the middle.
Hell yeah! And your name was again?
Jeremy.
Jeremy Bond.
I was gonna ask you if you'd ever seen that guy before, if he... Oh, he's a newbie here. Yeah, he's probably got nothing under the hood. Nothing. Fancy body. Just a 305.